Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. Just got back from Pinecone Fest, rocking my Christine Mrs. Gillum Farms hat with my cow earrings. So we're gonna go get some pig loving because the animals have been neglected for 4 days. They haven't gotten any lovings from us, no good stuff. And over here we got Joe Fix It For You on the four-wheeler, and this is definitely called doing it how you can. So he's taking some hay down to the pigs, and we're gonna make them a little nesting bed so because it's cold, guys. It was cold while we were gone. They need some lovins, they need some snuggles. So without trying to fall over here on the front of the property, since everything's at an angle, kind of like the ridge over there at White Rock Nation. We're easy does it there, Joe Fix It For You. Okay, I'm gonna get out of his way because he's gonna have to take a side step. Oh, and they're about to come running. When they see this hay, they are coming running. Trust me. Look at them. They're like, Papa Joe, we want some hay. I know, you guys are happy. Uh-oh. Bail down. I'll get it, babe. I'll get it. They're so happy. Look. The Wilbur boy. What you doing, big boy? Good morning. Good morning, sweet people. How are you? Oh my gosh, all the noses. Everybody's so happy to see us. Joey threw one bale in there and look at him. Okay, I'm going in, people. I'm going in so I can scatter it around and give them a fluffy bed. So, and Joe's throwing the other one over there. So here we go. Hopefully I'll catch it all. No. He loves his piggies. Let's turn it around this way. Joe, come on. Come on. Go. Are you mounting the... What you said, big boy?
I want to get this first.
Huh?
I want to get...
What you say, Lane? Good boy, huh? What? What? Well, climb on top of it. You're such a sweet boy. You are. You are. Hey, sweet girl. Hey. What? People, I can't work in these conditions. What's up, buddy? Huh? Hey, good girl. Oh, we love that. Oh, that's a... Where's Howard? Oh, right here. We ordered another triple battery from Wingda. A Wingda triple battery. It's 300 amp if I'm not mistaken. UPS is here with it, so I gotta go get it. What'd she say, guys and gals? Yes. Whew. Okay, I ran all the way up there. And he put it on the porch. So maybe we'll include the hooking the battery up with this video as well. So that's pretty awesome. Very excited, but let me get back in here and help Joey. Okay, so Joey moved the 50-gallon watering drum from that side of the fence to this side of this little small fence. That used to be their pen. We both want to say a special thank you to Dale and Nana at 9 Acre Family Farms for always being there. Anytime we had a pig question, what we needed to do, when Daisy got her head stuck in the fence and she was foaming at the mouth and all the other all the other pigs were squealing, and I was trying to think on the fly of how to get her head out of there. The watering system, the feeding system, any questions that I have had or Joey has had about these pigs, Dale knows. So if you need some advice on your pigs, you need to go over to 9 Acre Family Farms, subscribe to them, watch their pig videos, and get to know them, because if you have something that you don't know, he's going to have the answer for you. Trust me. I've thrown everything except the kitchen sink at him, and he's had an answer for it all. So we got the watering system moved because they were making a huge waller down there and the water tank was about to go. Even though we had it strapped, they were about to destroy everything that we had made for them. So now they seem to be doing pretty good over here. I'm sure they're probably going to do the same thing, because they just bite on that nipple and just let it drip down their chin and their belly, and then it goes all over. He's like, I got me some water. They had dug it down in front of it so far that they were having to try to step on, almost on each other, to get up there to the nipple, because they had dug down. Now, when we put it in there, it was flat level with the ground. I mean, as Jesse would say, who does that? Pigs do that. That's who does that. So you got to consult your local guru, who is Dale at 9 Acre Family Farms, for pigs, and say, what do we need to do? How are we going to fix this? Because I tried putting rocks in that. I tried doing all kinds of stuff to try to build that back up. They just moved the rocks out of there. And I mean rocks as big as me. Wilbur said, there's never enough water for the big boy. Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
You hear him slurping? Oh, he ducked to him. Oh. Alright, watch out. He's going to take a bite out of that chicken wing. You call a leg. Okay, so do you want me to move those rocks?
And you'll probably have to turn that where it's flat against that side.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow what I'm saying?
Yep. I got you, Joe.
Just hold it.
Well.
Leave it right there.
Oh, well, let me get my feet out from underneath it. Uh-huh.
There's a rock on the right, left side.
Yep. There's a whole bunch of stuff over here that's gonna make it.
One rock right there on the left.
Yeah, but that's gonna be what's gonna balance it. See, you're still high on the right. You're still way high on the right. I can throw that one back behind there. Link your back. No. No, sir. Nope. There you go. Daisy. Trying to work here, people. You better get off me. You are just full of mud. Nope, I will love on you. Hey, none of that while we're here fixing stuff. What do you think? Yeah? Oh. Wilbur's about to come in.
We both move.
Hey, big buddy. Hey. All the tails are wagging. Do you need me to go out there and help bring it around? Come on, guys.
Come on.
Hip, hip.
Come on.
Come on. Here, I'm going to do like Rooster.
Come on.
Tap, tap. Tap, tap.
Come on.
I'm going to tap you. Let me train you something. Good boy. Good boy.
Daisy,
Good
come on.
boy. Link. There you go. Oh, good boy. Look at that. Okay. Nope. Nope. You can't eat the stick. Nope.
All right, Daisy. Whoa. Whoa.
There
Whoa.
you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Come on, Wilbur. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Yeehaw. Now you don't want any until she gets over here. It's ridiculous. I'm dealing with 5-year-olds. Hey. You guys got mud all over me. Okay. Get the rest of this hay in there. Get off my boot. Get off my... You don't, young lady. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Papa Joe with some more hay. Hey, hey, hey. What? I know. You're a good boy. Y'all heard him coming, huh? probably right here. Nope. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Are you trying to unsnap it for me? Wow, you're so nice. I'm the king of the world. I'm sorry, I'm the queen of the world. Don't mess with her, you boonhead. Close to? Oh, they are too much. Yeah. Daisy, stop. Man, she is like a bull. Oh. Look at behind. Can you get off there, sir? Do you mind? Nope. How much were those bells? What you doing? What? I know. You got hay in your eyes. You got hay in your eyes, pretty girl. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, gross. You're full of mud. No, thank you. Alright, that good? Alright, I'm going out the way you went out, though. So, I'm going to go around here because we're on the back side of Pig Den. And our Pig Guru has said a couple of things where we're going to need to do some reconfiguring of this. So, I think what we can do is take that corner right there and come out to here and then maybe go up. That is the area where I walked through to get to my tree stand, which is up there. If you can see that. And so that ditch, as long as we don't cover that ditch, I can get through there. But come out here, go up, and that would make this run even wider, like that much more. So you can see the fence line right here. So it goes all the way back to there. So if we come right up this way and then jet up here, it will encompass this ditch right here because it gets back up onto higher ground, and then they could have that little ditch and they can make a little waller out of that, right? And then the pen would be bigger because we're going to have to separate some people here soon, according to Dale. So we got to get that done. But for right now, we have some happy piggies over here that are enjoying the heck out of this hay. Hey, hey, hey. All the tails are wagging. Yeah, I know. As soon as you take off, watch, they'll all start running. Oh. Y'all gonna follow him? Everybody happy? You appear to be. And Wilbur's down there. I don't know why they all crowd each other. They just want to be crowding each other. You got mud on your face. You got mud on your face. Okay guys, so this is what we've got today from UPS. We're not going to hook it up yet. We're going to get, I think, a couple more solar panels to put with it. But this is what we got on Amazon's Prime Day, right?
Yes.
It was like $100 cheaper than it normally is. So, gotta watch out for those Prime Days, people. Okay, so we took a break. Had some lunch / dinner. Gave everybody a chance to make themselves a little nest, so to speak. Now they're just yelling at each other, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, went over to the chicken pen. I got 1 egg, and I love these green. They're like a light sage green egg. They're so pretty. Okay, so here we are. Everybody's happy. They have moved the hay around in various different places the way they like it. Do y'all want to say bye? Do you want to say bye to everybody? See, we got Link, then Wilbur, oh, then Daisy down there. So, okay, we got happy pigs. Got some pig loving done today. It was an awesome day. So, oh my gosh, they're so obnoxious. Anyways, guys, that's it for us to hear today at Not For Nothing Homestead. Take care of you and yours. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.